Welcome back to my video. I'm Nikki Sarah. My channel is dedicated to fashion, sustainability, and personal style. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by and clicking on my face. I appreciate you. If you love fashion, thrifting, you are trying to find your personal style, you have personal style, you love fashion, this is your channel. This is your channel. So I haven't posted in about 8 days. So I said, let me just make this video and let me push this back so my head could actually be in a camera. Like, this is like crazy. There you go. Well, now you can see the ceiling. Maybe I need to sit on the floor. I'll just sit on the floor. Yeah, so I wanted to make this video because I haven't posted in about 8 days. My last video did so well. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. Like, I am living fearless. I am doing what I love. And, you know, it's such a great feeling. On top of that, it's just been a topsy-turvy week. I live in Atlanta. It snowed a couple days ago. So I've been cooped up in the house. I've been working from home. I work in corporate America. It's been crazy since returning back from the holiday, from the New Year's holiday. It's also the year-end review time. So I've been working like 9, maybe plus hours, just making sure I'm on top of, my game, handling my business. I have a very strong work ethic and I always, want to strive for excellence. So my energy has been more so there. And then also, like, it's just, yeah, I right now I have caffeine. Look at me. Like, no, I'm not really shaking, but my caffeine kicks in like later. And then I can't stay up late because I have to get up early for work. So I have found that I really need to figure out a schedule so I can post every week instead of waiting 8 full days, to post content. So again, this is a point of POV video and also like a therapy session as well because I'm all over the place. I'm talking 100 miles per hour. I have a pimple on my face. I'm a natural girly and I'm trying to stick to my routine so I can grow my hair out. Again, I haven't made a video in 8 days and I've been cooped up in the house. I have cabin fever. I need to get the hell out. But I have been scrolling or shopping rather online, evaluating my closet to see what I need, what I don't have, I'm trying to add on. So I have been on Poshmark for some days now and some other vintage shopping sites. I guess that's how you would title like a Poshmark pre-loved or whatnot. So I did make 3 purchases from Poshmark, and I have to say this again, this is my point of view. Like, if you are a Poshmark seller, could you not have your foot like in a shoe? Could you just like figure out how to post pictures of the shoe, but not have your actual foot like in the shoe? It's like so disgusting. Like, I'm potentially thinking of pulling the trigger, but I can't get past your foot being in the shoe. Like, no. Don't do that. Don't do that. But anywho, I don't have any brown shoes, so I brought a brown slingback and like a light gray mule. So I don't have gray, brown, or any like animal print type of like shoes in my closet. I'm thirsty for an animal print, specifically cowhide, and that's been really hard to find on my sustainable budget. And look at here, it's 2025, pulling the trigger on items that does not fall within my price point for what I want to spend right now, and Poshmark has been doing that for me. So if you continue to follow me for those upcoming videos on how I style those shoes and what shoes I did end up purchasing. I'm also wanting to add on to my place. I don't have a rug. Like right now, I'm on the hardwood floor, so I'm looking for a rug to go into my living room, and also I'm looking for a rug to go under my dining room table. And guess what? Like animal print. Yeah, like I don't know what it is. Like I'm on that train. I'm definitely on that train. Also, I've been looking for asymmetrical and abstract like pieces, asymmetrical, whether it be a top, whether it be a skirt. I enjoy layering my outfits, so I've been looking for those items as well. Colors that complement me, and one of those colors that complement me personally is that like the teal green, almost like this color here, the same as my couch. So I've been looking for like shoes or something, mule or boot or something. Can't seem to find between a gray and like a teal green or like a olive green. I have not found, again, my price point. This is a sustainable channel here, so yeah, so let me end this video by saying, hey, if you're new here, thank you. You have no clue. Like, I am so appreciative, like a kid with candy, when anyone stops by to check me out, to see, what I have to share, and yeah, what I have to share. I just lost my words there. So appreciative. Again, my last video did so well. It has been 8 days. Needed a post. The Poshmark with the foot in the shoe was just like, really? Like, no. And then there was something else that I wanted to share and I wanted to vent. I mean, clearly I'm all over the place. Like, yeah, I have my like house jumper on. I have pimple on my face. Really no makeup on, being burnt and feeling not balanced. I'm a Libra. When I'm off balance, cuckoo. But enough of me rambling on. Thank you for being my therapist for this video. And again, follow, like, and subscribe. This is a fashion sustainable channel helping you to find your personal style, and follow me for more content, specifically on those Poshmark items that I purchase and how I style them. So yeah, looking forward to seeing you guys again in the next video. See you guys in the next one.